I love this hat. It's soft and stylish, and because it's elastic, one size fits all. Before starting, it's always good to check measurements and use whatever size needle is given on the yarn. I'm using a size 9 circle needle and I will cast on 80 stitches. The slip knot is your first stitch, so I will start with the purl stitch, alternating 2 knit stitches and 2 purl stitches. Let's see how it's done. Two purl stitches and 2 knit stitches. Two purl stitches and 2 knit stitches. Once you have all your stitches, join together and place a marker for the beginning of the round, but do not twist. I will start with a double rib pattern, purl 2, knit 2. Let's see how it's done. Purl 2 stitches, knit 2 stitches, and purl 2 stitches and knit 2 stitches. Continue until ribbon measures 12 inches from the cast. When shaping the crown, I changed to a size 7 circle needle to start my first row. Purl 2, knit 2 together. Let's see how it's done. Purl 2 stitches, knit 2 knit stitches together, purl 2 stitches, and knit 2 knit stitches together. Purl 2 stitches, and knit 2 knit stitches together. In the next 2 rows, I will knit purl 2, knit 1. Let's see how it's done. Purl 2 stitches and knit 1, purl 2 stitches and knit 1, purl 2 stitches and knit 1. In the next row, I will purl together 2 purl stitches and knit 1. Let's see how it's done. Purl together 2 purl stitches, knit 1, purl 2 together, knit 1, purl 2 together, and knit 1. In the next 2 rows, I will purl the purl stitches and knit the knit stitches. It's purl 1, knit 1. Let's see how it's done. Purl and knit, purl and knit. In the next row, I will knit together the purl stitch and the knit stitch to make a knit stitch. Let's see how it's done. Knit together the purl stitch and the knit stitch to make a knit stitch. Now you have a row of knit stitches, so in the next row I will knit all the knit stitches. Let's see how it's done. We are almost done. In the next row, I will knit 2 together. Let's see how it's done. Knit 2 knit stitches together. Knit 2 together and knit 2 together. Now you have 10 stitches left on the needle. At this point, it's difficult to work with circular needles, so I will use an extra needle to cast off stitches. In the last row, I will knit 1, return the stitch onto the needle, then I will lift the remaining stitches over the first stitch until all stitches are cast off. Let's see how it's done. Now cut the yarn and pull the yarn through the last stitch and tighten. With the needle, bring the yarn to inside of the hat and secure all ends. This hat is warm and fashionable. You can wear it as a beanie or with a pom-pom.